Hey guys, so today we're going to be making something super simple because last week, if you haven't seen that video already, go check it out because I worked really hard on that. And it was a Yoshi's Woolly World cake and it was so complicated, so much fondant work. It was insane, but it came out really great, so definitely go check that out if you haven't seen it already. But today we're going in the complete opposite direction and we're making something super simple, and it only requires 3 ingredients, and it's a Nutella popsicle, and I'm excited. I love Nutella. I love Nutella so much, and I'm so excited to make something Nutella themed, and this is perfect for the summer. And also, don't worry if you don't have a popsicle mold, because the good thing about this recipe is that I'm going to be showing you guys how to make popsicles by using Dixie cups. Also, if you're wondering why this video was either posted, I'm either gonna post this Sunday night or Monday morning, like really early in the morning, and that is because I'm going on vacation to California, so I wanted to get this video out so I didn't have to worry about it on vacation, because I don't know what the Wi-Fi situation is going to be in the hotel and I don't want to stress about that, so I just want to get it up so that it's up and it'll be there. So yeah, that's why it's going up early. And also I'm going to be filming a video in California that it's going to be a little bit different but still food themed, and I think you guys are really gonna like it, so I'm really excited to film that for you guys. And yeah, that'll be coming soon, so be on the lookout for that. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure you have my notification bell turned on. I'm so excited to go to California. I'm going to be going to Disney and LA, and I'm so excited. I really want to be able to separate my channel from the other channels, make myself stand out, because I really am just trying to make my channel different and just think of more creative ideas that people really haven't done before, or maybe people have done before but I modify it to make it my own. And yeah, I just want to make my channel different than just a regular old baking channel that just posts baking videos every week. I want to mix it up and make it different and make it unique and make it my own. So yeah. So I'm trying to think of new ideas, and I already have a bunch of really cool ideas written down, and I'm like really excited to film a bunch of these videos. I think it's going to be like even more fun for me to film, and it's going to be more exciting because it's just so different than what I've been doing for past year. I mean, I've almost been doing YouTube for a year now, and I've just been doing the same thing every week, and I think it's great, but I want to raise the bar and make it even better. So that's my goal. Yeah. So yeah, let's get started. The ingredients you'll need will be 1 cup of Cool Whip, half a cup of whole milk, and 1/4 cup of Nutella. So all you have to do is just take all 3 of those ingredients, put them into a bowl, and then I just whisk them together by hand. And you want to whisk these ingredients until it's smooth, and also you want the mixture to be a little bit thicker than what it was when you started out mixing it. Now just pour your mixture into a Dixie cup, but you don't want to fill this up completely. You want to leave a little bit of room. Now just take a piece of aluminum foil, wrap it around the cup, and then just poke a hole with a scissor or a knife, and then stick one of those thick popsicle sticks into the cup. Now just put your popsicles into the freezer for at least 3 hours. And once they've chilled in the freezer, you can take them out and then carefully rip off the cups and then put them on a plate to serve, and then you can just enjoy them. They're really good. I tried a little bit of it and it's kind of like an ice cream consistency but in a popsicle form, so I think that was really cool, and it's delicious, of course. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below any questions or suggestions for what I should bake next. And my social medias are in the description, so go follow me, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!